Welcome to Best RV channel. Nala Mari from Best RV in Trolla, California. Today I'm presenting to you the brand new 2026 Cherokee Wolfpack 365 pack. So this Toyhauler has a 16-foot garage. Now on the brand new 2026 models, they did a lot of changes. One of the major changes, if you see in the front, it's more height. So it gives you more full walk-around king-size bed in the front. Now they added the nice blue LED in the front as well. You have a two blue LED right here, so you could see at night when you hitch it up. This unit has also the pass-through storage, as you see, and then this is come with outdoor barbecue grill, as you see outside. You know, leash attached for your dogs or bikes or somebody. But to be honest with you, this is what I really love and I really like. What I like about this unit is giving you two-door fridge outside, so you have a full fridge and a full freezer. A lot of time, if you notice, when you do look in the other Toyhauler, they give you only this side of the fridge and that's it. On the 365, they give you the bigger fridge, the one with the two-door, as you see. This is a really slick ice machine. So you have an ice maker, perfect when you're mixing a drinks in a hot day like this. And you have the two awning opening. As well, you have a full grill. Now, they give you even the TV bracket, and that's what I say is Cherokee Wolfpack. You're giving too much to the customers. I mean, everything's there. You don't have to go buy it. So they give you the TV bracket so you can put your TV here. There's a hookup right there, coax there, outside sprayers, all of that. For you right there. Look how big these awnings. You have two beautiful power awning with LED light. On the top, you see the silver piece on the top. That's a 200-watt solar panel. And then also, if you notice, this has the electric stabilizer jack. So it's very easy to extend the jack. You push the switch. And as you see in the video, the jack start coming down. So it has two electric on the front, two electric in the back. So you name it. I mean, full kitchen. This is very hard to find in a garage Toyhauler. Full kitchen, because you have the outside sprayers, you have the grill, you have the two-door fridge and freezer, you have the ice maker, you install your TV right here. What's left? Everything's there. And then you have the two power awning. When I open them, whole chair is covered. Let's go to the back. Additional outside speakers. And then you see here we have a full patio system. And again, they give you also the backup camera. As you see in the top, there's the backup camera, LED floodlight. So they give you everything. And then we're going to go in details inside. Now, on 2026, a lot of people, they know on the 25, they don't have the fuel stations. But on the 26, they add in a 40-gallon fuel stations. As you see, this is come with it now. So the Wolfpack at Best RV Centers, with the Fifthwheels, they come with the fuel station now on the brand new 2026. And then you have the big slide right here. Over here, you have everything from satellite hookup, dish hookup, cable hookup, sandy flush, city water connection, another outside sprayers, endless hot water heater, Suburban, 50 amp cord, and there's the valve for your sewage. And then this is another pass-through storage for you. And then we have the propane tank and one on each side. And then we have here the storage on the front. You could access the storage on the front, you see. And then here's you have a place if you decide to have a generator. And the nice thing about it, we brought it in without generator because we realize on that kind of price point, the customer that already have a generators, and they say, I don't want to pay that $5,000 to $6,000 extra in the price due to have a generator. But the beauty about what they did is they give you everything done. So all the generator prep lines is already there for the harness for the generators. Everything is there. So if you decide to add it, we could do it, and we could do it any time you want. You could do it at the time of the purchase, or we could do it anytime down on the road. Let's go inside and check the brand new 365 pack 15.5. Look how big this garage. I could put my 4-seaters, no question asked. No question asked about the height. Everybody asks me. No worries about the height. Look how high it is. You could get your four-seaters even if you have the off-road rack. And the four-seaters will fit all the way down here, because people, they say, wait a minute, how are you gonna get a four-seaters and there's a bathroom in the garage? No, 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 no. Look what they did. I could switch this the doors of the bathroom, and I could get my four-seaters all the way to this wall, because the width is no issue at all. We know it's gonna fit. And then you have over here a foldable sink, a porcelain toilet, and you have a window, so you don't have to worry. So you have a window plug, a sink, and a porcelain toilet. Also, if you get your quad, if you get your four-seater outside and only you have a quad and dirt bike, you don't have to do nothing here, and you don't have to touch it, because you have a plenty room. Now, what they did different in the Wolfpack for 2026, patio system, screen door, a queen bed 60 by 80 in the top, foldable table. By the way, this table, it go down. Voila. And if you want to raise it up and make it a shelf, voila, you could have like a workbench. And you have a backup camera prep here, and they say, wait a minute, why are you putting backup camera? Some people, they have expensive toy and they want to see it while they're driving, so nothing shifted. Then you have your smart TV over here. Then you have the nice blue light of Wolfpack. You have a door coming from it. I love the speakers here with the stereo. And by the way, it's a Bluetooth speakers, Zone 1 and Zone 2. Let's go inside. Tell me when you're gonna find a garage with a fireplace. You have a nice fireplace. And why they did that? Because people complaining, it's get cold in my garage. Well, you don't have that excuse anymore. You have electric fireplace and it produce a good amount of heat. It's like 5,000 pound PTU. And then you have air conditions on the roof. So you have AC in the top, heat at the bottom. You have a queen bed in the back. And we forgot to mention the loft door. There's a loft door with a ladder over here. So I could sleep 2 there, 1 in the loft. That's total 3, and more inside. But the loft, I've seen a lot of people, they're using it as hidden storage. They hide stuff in it. You could do whatever you like. It's your Toyhauler. Number 1, as you notice, this one has the big outdoor kitchen, the one with the fridge with the 2 door. One for freezer, one for the fridge, and the ice maker, and the grills, and the TV hookup, and so on. But what they gain here, a nice counter space, so I could use it as additional dining area with the 2 bar stool they provide you. So I could sit and eat here, or I could use it as an office if I want. I have my laptop, watching the news, see what's going on, see in the stock market, and work. And my partner, she will, sit, eat, do whatever you like. So that's the advantage of this counter space. They do 2 things in one: full outdoor kitchen outside, and a huge counter space in the top inside with 2 bar stools. And again, those 2 bar stools, if you notice, they're not in my way. Look, the distance, and the distance between the theater seating and the 2 bar stools. Across from it, beautiful theater seating. I wish I have 110, I could show you the light. Oh my God, where's my drink? Perfect. Line up straight to the TV, to that smart TV. You just lay down, coming from racing on your dirt bike or quad or 4-seaters. You sit, relax, turn the AC on, have a nice drink, and watch a movie. What else you need that more than that? So this is about the theater seating. There's 3 of them with lights and very comfy. I wish you are here and you sit on them. I mean, it's true theater seating, like what you see on the home theater systems. Kitchen-wise, and by the way, there's a door here. I could close this door if I go inside, and this gives you more full privacy. So this is open, is not open all the time. There's a door I could slide in and slide out, just to give you an idea. So I could use the loft from inside, or I could use it from inside the garage. I could use it both way. So that's another plus for the kids, if you go with kids. Now, fridge, typical, the 10.7 Oh, nice, cool. I could put my head inside. It's hot outside today. Okay, 10.7, and again, 12 volt, no worries. You have 200 watt solar panel. Kitchen, I cannot ask more than that. You have a plenty room on the left side. You have plenty room on the right side. I love what they give you these days, the organizer. I need this one for my home garage. You could do all these organizer on this unit. Oh, hold on. Didn't give up on me. Voila. And then you could do this organizers here also. So you could do baskets, paper towels, you name it. They give it to you, all of it. You don't want them, you could take them off and you could put your coffee maker, your toaster, your espresso machines, your margarita mixers, plenty. But nobody noticing is the lady or the guy when he's in the kitchen fixing something for the dinner, and the kids or the wife and the kids watching the movie, you're not in their way because it's separation. This is the dining, living, and then this is the kitchen. And I love the U shape. And you think if this is not enough counter space, look what they give you here. They give you additional counter space. So you have a place to put dishes when you wash them or when you're cutting fruit, nicer sink, cutting board, you name it. All of this, it's amazing. On this with the cup prints, prepping area, 3-burner range, making all these kind of noise. Nice hood, convection microwave. And by the way, this is air fryers. Very important, air fryers. And then you look all this, let me just look all this place of cabinet. You could put your tinsels, silverware, cooking pans, you name it. All these doors. Plus you have a big door here, and that's where you put your trash can. That's the place for your trash can. No worries, they thought about everything. But nobody understands when I say Wolfpack is the best deal and the best money for you, because we're giving you a Toyhaulers in the 50s and the 60s, where if you go Fusion, Cyclone, Raptors, Momentum, Alliance, Jayco, all these Toyhaulers, Voltages, Impact, Raptors, all of them in the 80s and 90s. Show me a Toyhaulers with a garage 15.5 and all these amenities in the 60s. It's not exist. Only at Best RV at Wolfpack. Ladies, you're not missing what I told you. Always ladies, they tell me I need a nice pantry. Well, guess what? You have a nice pantry with the lights, and you could push these lights and it goes on. And they have even doors. And you could see, you could do all kind of stuff over here. So it comes with the pantry. Let's go to the bedroom because the bedroom speaks for itself. You have a RV King. This is RV King. This is not a queen bed. This is not a queen bed. This is RV King. And they give you the normally I do. Lift it up, sit here, fix my shoes. Nice AC in the top. Look how roomy the cameraman. Show them how roomy. You could use it as a dress room, as changing room. Place for your closets. Big closet, big. Look, the cameraman moving with easy in this bedroom. And then you have here's your 50 amp power cord. And then you have more storage, more shelf, more storage here, storage back there. You'll put a second TV here, third TV. Because this unit is giving you already 2 TVs, one in the garage, one in the living room. But we keep the bedroom as an option because some people 50-50 want it, some people they don't want it. Nice prepping area on both sides, USB plug, 110 plug, closets, nice big windows. That's one thing people they don't realize. I mean, look how bright this bedroom when I open this window. And they are actually reflecting windows. Going to the bathroom, you have a nice medicine cabinet and sink covers, more storage, porcelain toilet, and a big showers, and it's very roomy. Come to Best RV and grab the Wolfpack 365 pack 15.5. Dream it, camp in it. We sell for less, no hidden fees. come to Best RV.